it's your girl Naturally Nata here. I'm here today with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review plus a product that is used to apply wigs a lot that I really wanted to try out. The Ghost Bond XL. I got it for $19.99, $20. It is a pretty pricey like wig adhesive. I've mainly seen people try it with human hair. I wanted to try it today with a synthetic wig, a beautiful like rose gold synthetic wig from SAMSBEAUTY.com. This is the Outre Kelia 32-inch wig in DR Rose Gold. DR, I'm guessing, stands for dark roots, and then the ends are rose gold. I have worn this wig before. It is absolutely stunning. Let's just see how this goes. I'm looking so rough right now. I need to get some makeup on my face and a wig on my head. Okay. I wish I could roll my R's and do the okay. I can't do it. I speak Spanish. Okay. 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 I can't do it, guys. I'm sorry, I wish I could, but okay. It's time to transform. So if you want to see me transform right before your eyes and also see me review this Outre Kelia wig in DR Rose Gold from my favorite website, SAMSBEAUTY.com, you know what to do. Please keep watching. Alright guys, so as I mentioned, I have worn this wig before, so the lace don't need to be clipped. Nothing like that. That's already been done. This wig is absolutely stunning. I wore it to a blogger event that I had in Nashville a couple like months ago. Actually, it was in August, and wow, look at this. It's so long, the curls are so bouncy, and I've also washed this wig and the curls are still popping. It's got those waves going on. The color is stunning. It says rose gold, but it's really like a really pretty like baby pink. It has two clips right here on either side of the front. It has that part down the middle, and it also has the bra straps in the back and a larger clip in the back. So to start off, I'm going to take the Ghost Bond glue, which is this right here, and I'm going to take the top off. Invisible bonding for poly and lace systems, specially formulated for oily scalps, high humidity, and heavy perspiration. It also says shake well before using, so that's what I'm going to do. So it says it's a water-based copolymer, no latex, no harsh solvents, and a new formulation. So you definitely, I would suggest want to do this with, you know, no makeup on your face, which is why I'm starting out with no makeup, looking completely busted. I'm going to take this Equate isopropyl alcohol, and I'm just going to take a little cotton round right here, and I'm going to put some of that on the cotton round, some of the alcohol, and just wipe this area of my face off. I am like freshly out the shower, so I should be good, but I want to make sure like this area that we're going to be applying the wig to is like completely clean, no oils or nothing like that. So now that I've shaken this up, I'm just going to open it. So what I'm going to do is apply this around the perimeter of my forehead. I want to get my baby hairs back because I don't want to get any of this on my hair because it is glue. And I'm going to just make I'm just going to make a line like that right before my hairline. Happen to have like a popsicle stick or something like that, you could use something like that also, but I'm just going to take this comb right here that I'm just going to wash when I get done, and I'm just going to smooth this out before it dries. What I'm going to do is just wait for this to dry. I'm just going to let it air dry. I'm going to like clean up my eyebrows, go about whatever I'm going to do right now, and then I'll be back to apply the wig on top of this glue. But you definitely want to make sure it dries before applying the wig. It's pretty dry. It's very, very tacky. It doesn't seem like it's going to dry to a completely clear type of consistency, so we are going to go ahead and apply the wig, which I have right here. So we've reached the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As for this wig, I absolutely love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it's so long. I love it. Goes all the way to like your butt crack. It's super duper long. I love 30-inch and above wigs. Those are the real statement makers. It are these super duper long wigs. They're really beautiful and gorgeous. And like I said, I did wear this wig before and I got so many compliments. I do love the color. I would not really agree that it's rose gold. I think it's more of a light pink, but it's beautiful nonetheless. So if you're interested in this wig, please check the description box below. This is the Outre Kelia 32-inch wig in DR Rose Gold that I got from SAMSBEAUTY. So yeah, just check the description box below so you can get your hands on this beautiful statement wig. If you love colorful wigs, or if you like really long wigs, you gotta get this one. Oh yes, I almost forgot, as far as the Ghost Bond glue, I do like this, but I'm still gonna have to play around with it some more. I did have to clean up around my hairline because there was some glue still sticking out. You have to use the littlest amount of this product is what I'm gathering. I use too much, but I do like it. My wig feels stuck, even like I can feel it right now. It feels like it's never coming off. It's very tight. I got like a little bit of a facelift. So if you need something to really secure your wig, or if you're scared about your wigs coming off ever, definitely give this a try because this wig is not going anywhere. Like it's tight on my head. Like look at that. You can see I'm pulling it and there's like this lace part is not moving. So I'm definitely gonna have to use some baby oil or something to get this off. I would be very careful removing this because this stuff is no joke. That's probably why it's $20. I'm actually not mad that it's that much because it's a very like professional type product. So I really enjoyed that product, and it does work for synthetic wigs too, which is good. Synthetic or human hair. If you want a heavy duty product to stick your wigs down, Ghost Bond is a good thing to try. Other than that, I really have nothing else to say. I hope you enjoyed once again, and I can't wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.